Hello friends, today I'm changing the microwave filter from this different size because I could not find the right size to this, and I'm using couple of the same filter frame. These are all the tools you need to make a microwave filter. So this is all I'm using for today. So let's start. Safety is very important, so wear the gloves and do it safely. I am taking out old filter frame from old filter so that I can use it in the new filter. So take it out carefully. As you can see, it's a different shape. I bought it from hardware store and it cost only $13. I could not find right size, so I have to buy this one. So only one place I found the right size and it cost $55, so I have to make it from this one. Make sure measure with the old filter so that you have a accurate filter that fits in the frame. As you can see, I'm using this old filter frame, so open it carefully and then use it properly as it is shown in the video. Make sure press it really good using the plier so that it cannot go away the filter frame from the filter. Do the same thing on the other side too. Alright, my friends, this is it, all done. Let's see if it fits. Looks like it fits perfectly. So if you like my videos, like, share and subscribe my videos.